Meaning of Gleneagles.
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 Gleneagles. Gleneagles is a Scottish place name that refers to a small town located in the heart of Perthshire. The name Gleneagles literally means the Valley of the Eagles, as it was once home to a population of Scottish golden eagles. Today, Gleneagles is best known for its luxury hotel and golf resort, which has hosted numerous prestigious events, including the 2014 Ryder Cup and the 2019 Solheim Cup. The area is renowned for its scenic beauty, rolling hills, and traditional Scottish charm, making it a popular tourist destination.